What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Money Empire. I recorded a video not too long, and I've been having some questions on that video, and that's why I came to record this particular video to clarify things up. This is the video. It's on TGR, Topup and Get Rewarded, and the video is just about 1 hour ago, but I have some questions regarding it, and some people will be asking, how do I register for Topup and Get Rewarded? So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Before I dive into that, don't forget to come to my channel, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified by YouTube. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into what we have for today. So for you to get started with Topup and Get Rewarded, all you just need to do is to go over to Google and type Topup and Get Rewarded. Topup and Get Reward, or to save you the stress, I will leave a link below this video in the description of this video. So just hit on that link, it will take you to the registration page direct. So but now, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to hit on this first link here, which is Topup and Get Reward.com. So now you can see this is the interface. It's loading correctly. So now we are in Topup and Get Reward. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of features here. So why we are here is to show you how to register on Topup and Get Rewarded. So once you're on the interface, like I said, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video. Just hit on that link and to bring you to the registration page, so you don't have to go through the stress of going through Google and the rest. So once you are here, if you already have an account, you can log in. But for the sake of those who are just starting, just click on the register button. So as you can see, now I've come to the registration page. You see it says fill out the form below. Okay, so what you just need to do is to come over here and begin to fill out this profile form. So where it says referral ID, all you just need to do is to put in this referral ID. So this referral ID, okay. Without this referral ID, there's no way your registration can move forward. So you need to put the referral ID, omasworld. Then I'm just going to use a dummy name. Okay, so let's say Johnny. Let's say for James. Okay, so use just a dummy name. So once you're able to fill that, you just go down and hit on email. You can just say amazing TV49. So just put a valid email because you still need to verify. And for your phone number, you can use any number. 62. Okay. So now we'll be able to fill up our form. Like I said, don't forget you need to put on your referral ID, who referred you. Just type omasworld there. Okay, because without it, there's no way your registration can move forward. So click on next. So you create a username. You can decide to use any username, guys. You can say Kenny 007. Okay. Then you also create a password. You can create a password, something that is unique to you, that only you will be able to remember. Okay. So now I've created a password. Click on next. Now you're going to put your account details. You can put any of your account details. You can say GT Bank, for example. Your account name, you can say Anthony. Then your account number, you can put in. So let me use my okay. So just put in your account details there. Click on next. Now just hit submit. Once you hit submit, it's going to go ahead and submit your account. So guys, I'll be able to register. I show you the phone number and I click on submit and it brought me here. So you can see there are different packages here. If I click on package, for example, There's Pearl, there's Cora, there's Emerald, there's Sapphire, there's Ruby, Diamond, there's Epic Diamond, Pearl Mini. So you can decide to start selling one. And here are the benefits attached to each of these packages. Okay, for the Pearl package, you have a PV of 10. The more PV you have, the more chances of getting to the ladder board on time. And once you're able to get to this executive diamond, for example, you'll be able to earn. Anybody that register with this executive diamond, you'll be able to hit the generation limits. More people will be able to register under you. I will explain that as we go on. So the starting price for this package is 5,000. Fast for deal of TGR, the starting price is 5,000, followed by 10,000, followed by 20,000. And the higher the package you choose, the more PV you get. Okay, and now this generation limit, what it means is that if you register under this pay package, for example, the number of people that can register directly under you is 5. Although these 5 can still refer other people under them, but the number of direct line that you can have is 5. So if you want 6 or if you want more, you have to increase your upgrade your package. Okay, never mind, you can start with 5,000. if that's the amount you have. You can always upgrade in your dashboard, but I recommend that you start with a higher package, okay, so that you'll be able to get this PV. All right, so that's how it works. So if you register with Cora, you know people that can register directly under you is 6. Okay, though the 6 can also refer other people. So now that you've been able to register, the next thing you want to do is to log in. So you can log in to your TGR dashboard now, because you'll be able to register. So just click on login. So you can see this. Now we are logged into our new TGR account. So as you can see, this account is very fresh. Current commercial balance is 0, wallet balance is 0, personal sales point. The reason why the personal sales point is 0 is because I've not subscribed to any package. Okay, now for you to activate this account is actually not activated yet. For you to activate this account, you need to select a package, and for it to be easy, let me just say this, for it to be easy for you, it's better you select a package and pay the equivalent amount of that package to your direct upliner, the person that referred you. So when you pay into the person's account, the person will now activate your account from his own dashboard. I know this may look like it's kind of, you will be a little bit skeptical about it because you know, trust is an issue in Nigeria now. But I bet you that is the best way to do it, because if you do it directly from your dashboard, yeah, it may take some time for TGR to activate your account. Sometimes it can take a whole day. But if you pay into your upliner account and it goes to his own dashboard, I'm going to show you how it works now. How you go to his account and search for your name. Like for example, this is your username now. So he will search for this username in his own dashboard. Once he sees it, and you've already paid that money, 5,000, depending on the amount you're starting with, the package you're starting with, either 5,000, 10,000, you pay into his account. The money will reflect in his own wallet. Then you use that money, search for your own username, and use that money to activate your account. It's very fast that way, very, very fast. Within a minute or two, you are already activated and you can start earning. So you can see now this account is very fresh. So if you come to these videos now, you see some tutorial, helpful tutorials that will help you to understand the TGR business better. You can see easy to understand TGR tutorial, how to register your free account, for your wallet, how to upgrade your account, how to activate pending members. All of these are here. Airtime and data purchase, cable TV subscription, electricity bill payment, transferring wallets to members, how to withdraw your earnings, how to contact support. So you can see the videos are actually there. Okay, if you want to contact support, all you just need to do is to come to support and click on open tickets. That way you'll be able to see. So if you have any complaint, just come over here. They are very fast with their response. Okay, so they will reply to you and you'll be good to go. So you come over to profile. So now what you just need to do is to select a package that you want to You can see some account details, everything I provided there. And if you want information, they usually update information here. Maybe there's a the site is going down, or maybe they want to upgrade their site. You have all the information here, so you can see auto funding charges. So just come over here, you see the information here, how to top up your wallet, manner funding, any. This just go over it, you get it. They also have Zoom meeting. You can see your Zoom password and everything here. Every Tuesday they have Zoom meeting, okay, to prospect new members, and Thursday for training of registered members to answer your question. So you can join here, and by 8:30 p.m. on each day, Tuesday for new members, while Thursday for standing members, those have already joined. So now to select a package, you can see you can get your Starly account here. Just click on Get Starly account, and your account details will be shown. So it is this account details that you fund each time you want to fund your wallet. So say activation successful, or your account creation was successful. So you can see this my Starling account number. So if I want to fund my wallet now, this is just the account number I will pay into. Okay, so the name is Topup and Get Rewarded. Now if I want to upgrade my account, like I said, I've not selected any account. All I just need to do is click on upgrade. Then I select the package I want to go with. Maybe I want to go with Bear, Quora, Emerald, Sapphire, and the rest. So for example, I want to go with Quora now. I just see, you can see this is the order summary. Topup and Get Rewarded, Get Reward package Quora. Amount is 10,000. So charge is 0. So just click on. But for you to upgrade, you need to have this equivalent amount. You need to first of all, let me close this. Fund your wallet. If I go to my wallet now, you see that I don't have anything in my wallet, so I'm not able to upgrade this account because I need to have money here, the 10,000 naira in my wallet. And to load my wallet, I just click on load wallet, enter amount. Maybe I want to load 10,000 now, and then choose a credit card option that you want to use. It can be interswitch, can be the credits. So you just select the method that you want to use to load your wallet. Say pay with card, you're paying 10,000, pay with quick teller. So that is if you want to load your wallet. So let me just cancel this. Just show you payment cancelled. Alright, so that's how to load your wallet. So once you are able to load your wallet that way, either with your credit card or with your bank transfer, go over to profile again. So once you're in profile, you cannot select the package you want to go with, maybe Quora. So you just select Quora. You see this, but like I said, you need to have this amount in your wallet. So you just click on upgrade. So you say activation failed because payment data processing. Why? Because I don't have an insufficient balance. So like I said, you need to have that amount in your wallet, so to be able to fund or upgrade your account. So once you upgrade the account, you have to wait for some time for them to activate your account, but that may take some time. Like I said, the best way to do this is to pay that equivalent amount into your upliner account. I will show you how to do that, and it will activate your account directly through this your username. It's not scam. It's legit. You don't worry about that. What if you run away with my money? No. If you go through this means, it may take some time, but if you pay into your upliner account, it will just automatically activate you without you waiting for customer care to activate your account. So now let me log out of this one and log into one of my accounts. I will show you how your upliner will activate your account. Okay, so I'm just going to log out now and log into one of my accounts and show you how this works. Okay, it's not scam. Your upliner is going to scam you. Okay, so now I'm in one of my accounts. You can see I have over 2,000 naira in my wallet in this account. I have other accounts. This is my personal sales point. Okay, so you can see these are people that have recharged and have earned from. This person bought a airtime 𝐖𝐭𝐡 and have earned from it. So you can see this is purchase of 𝐖𝐿 100 naira, and the more they recharge, this is the amount I earned. Okay, this is just today. Okay, this is just today. Somebody registered under me and I earned 1,045 naira. Okay, so now this is how your upliner will activate. You want to pay the money to his account. All you just need to do is to go to my network and you see where they write pending members. Okay, you just click on that pending members. You click on that pending members. So you can see once you hit on that pending members, like I told you, or you just need to order my network. You see pending members. So once you hit on that, all you just need to do is to come over here. You see a lot of people here that have registered, the date they registered. If you click scrolling down, you see more and more people. Okay, but you don't need to be concerned about that. So all you just need to do is to search for the name of the dial liner that just registered under you. So it's the username, whether the email, first name, last name, or username. So you click on search. The system will bring out, so you can see Bob James. So as me, the person paying into my account now, all I just need to do is to click on activate. But before I hit on this activate, the person needs to pay the amount that is the package that is going for, the amount into my account, into my own wallet. Then I will use that money to activate it. So once I hit this activate, automatically it will be activated over there. So that is, guys, how to register on TGR and also how to activate dial liners. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to come over to my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. That way you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, and for you to be sure that TGR works, just go ahead and watch this video. You see a live earning there. TGR is not a scam, it works perfectly, and there's no way you will not make money from TGR. Even if you are not referring anybody, you still make money from TGR. So till we meet again, guys, keep winning.